Hello na yung menu!
Hello!
So
What's up?
for today's food trip, pasasabi ko for today's video. Ayan, meron tayong gagawing challenge at meron tayo ditong blindfold. And kasama natin ngayon si Manuel Olazo. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel
Subscribe
niya,
na.
ayan, subscribe na. And si Jonas andito din. Hi! Patagalin
We
mo
also
muna.
want to have a blind tasting of spaghetti.
No, I was just going to I was just going to grab if mommy got it correct.
Really? Okay, so ngayon guys, magpa-blindfold challenge tayo. Tapos, meron tayong mga spaghetti na
Oh.
binasta ni Manuel sa atin. Ayan. So, huhulaan ko kung anong spaghetti yon. So,
Kaya
merong
mo, sa
5.
tingin mo.
Yeah,
Di ako sure, baka mahirapan ako dito.
yeah,
Already
because
Okay, so
mommy's going to get different spaghetti.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, lagay mo na.
natin, baka ano eh. Jonas, can you
Lagay mo
help
na.
me?
Wait. Oh, game na.
Okay.
Oh, game.
Okay.
First spaghetti.
Wait.
Narinig
to
ko. I heard you.
Okay.
Okay.
Windangin natin yung mundo mo. Unahin natin dito.
Nabayusin mo ah.
Bakit? Ano? Ha?
Jonas, can you get water, please? Okay, game.
Okay, wait, I'll get
Sige.
water.
Guguluhin natin yung mundo mo. So, papatikim ko sa'yo. Ito yung pinakamahirap sa lahat eh.
Talaga.
Mm.
Hmm.
Ano?
Jollibee?
Sure ka na ba? Talaga?
Jollibee.
Walang hotdog yung pinatikim ko sa'yo.
Oo, Jollibee.
Hindi nga.
Mm.
Ang galing naman, oh. Jollibee, paano mo nahulaan?
Yung noodles, yung texture ng noodles, tsaka yung manamis na.
Is it correct, Jonas?
Yes!
Wow. Supportive masyado. Ang Jonas. Okay,
Tsaka
next.
nagsistay sa dila ako yung lasa ng Jollibee.
Ah, talaga? Nag-stay sa dila mo?
Wait,
Okay.
can
Eh, tingnan
I
natin
try
kung
this
ito mag-
spaghetti?
Can I
Okay.
have water?
Ah,
Like, wait, we try the spaghetti first.
okay. You move here, Jonas.
Okay.
Okay, next. Ito, napaka-cheesy.
Cheesy?
Mhm.
Masosa?
Saucy pa, di ba?
Sassy!
Saucy. Ano?
Makdo?
Oy! Sure? Sure ka?
Sigurado ka na ba talaga McDo yan? Sigurado ka na McDo?
Makdo.
di nga.
Masosi.
Sure ka?
McDo.
McDo.
McDo
Final answer.
is...
Okay.
McDo is wrong.
Ah!
Yeah!
Ano yan?
It's tropical hot. Tropical hot. Wrong.
Palasa ng McDo.
Palasa ba ng McDo?
Medyo kasi manamis din. Ay, ano, basta.
Ano? Ang manamis na miss.
Parang ano, ewan ko, hindi ko rin alam ba't ko sinabing McDo.
Oo
Pero
nga,
masosi
bakit?
kasi.
Bakit? McDo lang bang masosi?
Hindi, generous kasi maglagay ng
You want to try?
sauce yung
You want to try
McDo.
Yeah,
this?
I never tried this.
You haven't tried tropical hot?
Yup.
Okay, next.
Ang masarap ng tropical hot ah.
Cheesy yun.
Cheesy, di ba?
Yeah,
Oh,
cheesy.
see? Sabi ni Jonas, cheesy. Okay. Ay, nalaglag.
Popeyes.
Bilis naman. Is it correct, Jonas?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Yay!
Oo, kasi Popeyes, ano yung lasa niya for me talaga
Parang kabisado mo talaga yung Popeyes.
Oo,
ah.
kasi nagmukbang na ako ng Popeyes.
Madalas ka ba?
And nasarap,
Kumakain?
naging favorite ko siya actually yung Popeyes before.
Ah, talaga?
Yung spaghetti nila, kasi parang homemade nga yung lasa.
Mm.
Oh, that's how you know, right?
Yeah. Okay, next. Ito, sigurado ako, alam mo rin to.
I think mommy knows that.
May hotdog ah.
Uy!
Ito yung McDo.
Ha? Jonas, you want?
McDo is correct!
Yay!
Ito yung McDo. Pero parang halos similar sila ng ano.
Walang hotdog yung ano, yung isa.
Yung isa. Hindi,
Tropical
pero yung
hot.
sauce.
Okay. Oh. I'll blindfold you then, later, after this. Yan din yung try.
You're next, Jonas.
You're
Later,
next,
you want
ah.
to try?
You're next, ha? Sige na. Okay.
I just want to try all of the spaghettis.
Okay. Ito, napaka-cheesy din ito.
Oh, wow.
Look at the cheese, Jonas. Oh.
Wow.
It's cheesy, di ba?
Yeah.
Water.
More
Water
cheesy.
muna. Game.
Have you went there before? Did you went there?
Ang lasa niya, Italian. Nalalasahan ko rin yung oregano dito. Greenwich to.
Alam na alam mo. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yay!
Lasang pizza.
Yeah, yesterday we just ate pizza, di ba?
So, ano, tapos na?
Tapos na, 5 na yun. No, may mali ka pa.
Mali lang ako isa, yung ano, yung, teka. Liwanag.
Ano?
Grabe, enjoy dito. Si Jonas, o kami.
Jonas, dito ka. You're the next one, blindfold.
O, yun naman.
Oo.
No.
No.
Blindfold.
Blindfold.
Kami.
Let's get
Enjoy
some
na.
tissue. Let's get some tissue.
Ano dyan
Come,
na?
Jonas, dali.
Nagmukbang dyan. Nagmukbang na ng spaghetti dito.
Wipe
Dali,
your
do the
face.
blindfold. Dali.
Why you don't want? Sige na, you just try lang.
I will let you try the Jollibee and McDo. If you're correct, I'll give you more spaghetti.
We'll give you nuggets.
Okay. Can you see?
Okay.
No.
This one. Wait, I'll feed you. This one is, tada! Can Jonas guess the spaghetti?
Yeah.
What's that? What do you think?
McDo?
No!
Are you sure?
Oh.
It's tropical
Go
hot!
Because I don't know different spaghettis.
Okay, one more.
One more.
One more.
But I don't know different spaghettis.
Yeah, okay.
I only know McDo
Okay,
and Jollibee.
bakit kasi may tropical hot o? McDo and Jollibee. O yan.
Okay.
Nana, wait!
Okay.
No.
No, blindfold.
Get the blindfold. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready, Jonas?
Right or left?
Which one you want to
Right.
try first?
Right.
Okay.
Ay!
Ako.
See, I told you.
Okay.
There. What is this? I'll put hot dog too.
Wait, I want to smell it
Oh,
first.
smell.
Smell. May aamuyin pa niya talaga eh.
This is your favorite spaghetti.
McDo.
Yes!
Yes!
Correct!
Correct!
Oh, one more. One more spaghetti. Ganun.
Ano?
Ito dyan. Yeah, one more spaghetti for Jonas.
Okay.
Smell. Anong amoy?
Mayon sauce.
Amoy sauce.
Mabango.
Oh, pagbabango.
Kainin mo.
Kainin mo. Ah.
What's the taste? What's the taste?
Jollibee.
Jollibee, are you
Jollibee.
sure? Sure ka?
Yes.
Sure na yan?
Final answer.
It's correct! Good job! Which spaghetti do you like the most?
You tried all, di ba? Did you try all?
Have you
You
tried
tried
this
all,
one?
right?
This one. Try
Di
it.
mukbang niya kanina eh.
Talaga?
Oo, tinikman niya. After you
This
try
one.
them, titikman niya lahat eh.
Which
Hindi niya nagustuhan to.
spaghetti do you like the most?
Both of them.
Both of them.
Both of them.
Good yan. Good job.
Pag si Jillian, all of them.
All of them. It's good. Both of them daw.
Okay.
So parehas.
Hmm.
Now I want Jaya to try this.
About children's in school. So, yun guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin for today's video. And sa mga nag-enjoy dito sa content natin na blindfold, na guess the spaghetti challenge. Ayan. Sa mga gusto pa ng ganitong klaseng content, comment down below ano naman yung next.
Next, oo, di ba?
Diba? Para may next naman.
Chicken, barbecue, pizza, ano kaya?
Wait,
Burger, mga
I want the next one to be burger.
Burger. Okay.
Then after that, fresh fries.
French fries, parang
French
hirap naman
fries.
yun. Di ako mahilig sa fries.
No, it's okay, pero it's gonna be soggy.
So, yun lang guys. Thanks guys again for watching. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel at para updated kayo sa mga videos ay upload ko, tap the bell icon. So, I'll see you guys again.
Bye.
Bye!